Hi, it's Kiffin Low Bates here, and today's video answers the question, what exactly is a blockchain transaction? And the answer to that question is that a transaction is a request to a blockchain, or rather the nodes that instantiate and maintain the blockchain, to make a change to the data stored on the blockchain. So, for example, a transaction could be a request to Bitcoin to move some Bitcoin from one address to another. And then the nodes receive that transaction, they check that it's valid, that the sending address has the required balance to transfer, that the recipient address is well formed, and that the transaction has been digitally signed with the private key corresponding to the sending Bitcoin address. And if all that pans out properly, then the transaction gets written onto the blockchain, and that affects a change. It changes the balance of the sending address and the recipient address. So that's it in a nutshell. Blockchain transactions are requests from a user to make a change to the data that is stored on the ledger that is the blockchain. And the thing about blockchains is that you don't go in and edit the data, you append these changes, and therefore to know the current state of the blockchain you have to go through all the blockchain data and check exactly what changes take place due to all the transactions until you get to the present day, at which point you know that your copy of the blockchain is up to date and has an accurate record of all the balances and the current view of the world that the blockchain provides. So we'll keep this one short. That's what a blockchain transaction is. See you in the next video soon. Bye for now.